Hey, how's it going? It's Khoa here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Everlast heavy boxing bag and sand as well. So I've been in lockdown for about 2 months so far due to the Delta variant, and the problem is that I really miss the gym. I used to go to gym about 6 times per week. I was losing weight. I was doing very well, and then since lockdown occurred, it's just really stuffed up my routine. I'm gaining weight again, and looks like lockdown's going to extend for another month, but I reckon it's going to go till November, so that's probably another 3 more months of lockdown. We can't go to the gym, so what am I going to do? I'm going to build my own gym. I'm going to show you what I bought the other day. So I bought this, right, Everlast boxing bag stand. So this one was $249. So the reason why I bought it is that, you know, I love Everlast. Everlast is a great brand, and $249, you know, it's not cheap, but it's worth it. It means I'll be able to lose weight, feel better, more energy. It's just, you know, it's just a no-brainer. What am I going to do with $250? I also bought a boxing bag as well. It's $100, and I'm going to hang it up. I'm going to hang it up on my boxing thing. So it's going to be amazing, and I'm going to vlog the whole thing, and I'll just show you what it looks like at the end of it. So there you go. Let's go. Okay, so I don't know whether you can see this. So this is it. This is what I'm working on. So this is the spot where I'm going to build my my gym. So this is my lame ass car. But I've got an extra car parking spot, so I'm going to turn this into a mini gym. So we're going to unbox the boxing bag, and we're going to see how we go. So it's going to be pretty cool, and I don't know what to expect, but it's going to be awesome. And then we'll do some boxing today. So this is it. This is Everlast. This is the stand, and behind it is the I don't know whether you can see, can't really see it, but that's the heavy bag there. Okay. So I've opened it. This is what it looks like. Good lighting in here, but it's not bad. I'm just setting it up. Here's the heavy bag. Looks pretty cool. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I'm looking at the instructions. Look at that. Here's what I have to do. Look at that. It looks very complicated, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it. So quick update, I'm still doing it. Got the legs happening, so check out the legs. So screwed in the legs. I screwed the other legs into it. So nearly finished. It's getting there. Oh my god, I'm excited. That is cool. Check it out, man. Look at that. Whoa.